Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today is my 58th video of DevOps. So in this video I am going to take a look at the demo part of the AWS. So in the previous videos I have shown you the theoretical part of the AWS, but in this video I am going to take a look at the demo part of this AWS. And I have also shown you in my Nagios and Ansible videos that how you can create an instance in your AWS account. Alright, so if you want to check them out, then I will leave the link of these videos here. Alright. So what you need to do first of all is to create an AWS account if this is your first time, and then you can go further on. Alright. So if you don't know, then here is the video through which you can create your AWS account. So let's click on this video. I have given the link of this video also. Alright. As you can see that this is the video of 7 minutes through which you can create an AWS account, and it will show you the step-by-step process through which you can create your account. Alright. So let's close this, and after that what you need to do, this will be the dashboard that will be in front of you if you create the AWS account for the first time. Alright, so I have already created mine one. After that, on the upper right side of the corner, you can select a region. If your country's region is not present, then choose the nearest one. It will help the data to be fetched quickly. Alright, so basically these are the regions in which the data centers are present in these regions. Alright, so for Asia there are some regions like Mumbai, Osaka, Seoul, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, and for Canada there is one region, and for Europe there are some regions like Frankfurt, Ireland, London, Paris, Stockholm, and this is the South America region. And after that, this is the US region like Virginia, Ohio, California, Oregon, etc. And after that, these are some of the regions that are not enabled. Alright, although you can enable them, but you need to click on this manage regions. Alright, so it will lead you to another page in which you can enable those regions. Alright, as you can see that these are the regions that are disabled now. Alright, so but the regions that are by default enabled live are these ones. Alright, that we have seen before. But you can enable these regions if you want to, like Cape Town, Hong Kong, Jakarta, Zurich, Milan, Spain, UAE, Bahrain. Alright, so these are the disabled regions. So you can select any one of them if you are located to each of these regions. But let's say if the region is not present in your area, if the data center is not present in your region, then what you can do is to select the nearest region. Alright, so currently I am present in Pakistan, but I will select the Mumbai region that is nearest to me, and basically it will fetch the data from the Mumbai data center quickly. Alright, so if I selected another region like the Europe region or the US region, then it will take me some time to fetch the data from that data center. Alright, so always prefer to select the nearest region in your country. Alright, so after that what you need to do is to the instance of one region won't be present in another region. So in the previous video I have shown you that how you can create an instance, and for each of the region there will be some instances that you can create. Alright, so let's say you created some instance in Mumbai region, and then those instances of the Mumbai region won't be available in the Tokyo region. Alright, so that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. Similarly, if you created some instances in the US region, then those instances of the US region will not be available in the Europe region. So you need to keep this in mind. And after that, you can check the billing by going to the upper right corner, click on the name of the account holder, alright, and then click on the billing dashboard option. So the account holder name is here, Bilal, and if you click on this, it will take you to the billing dashboard. So let's click on this, and it will take me some time, so let's wait for it. So as you can see that I'm present in the AWS billing dashboard. Alright, so basically I'm using the 12 months free trial account. So if this time is passed, then the billing will be shown to you. So if I click on this bills option, you will see that currently I have no charges present here, $0. Alright, so this is let's click on this Elastic Cloud Compute, because I have created these instances in the Mumbai region and in the Tokyo region. So for each one of them there is zero billing. Alright, so if you click on this, it will show you that these are the instances that I have used for 12 hours, and the bill of these instances are not present here. For currently there are $0 bill that is shown to me. Alright, after that if I click on this Asia Tokyo region, it will show me that for 8 hours these instances are used, and currently there is no billing present in it, alright, because I'm using the 12 months free trial option. And after that, this is the data transfer, alright, for Mumbai and Tokyo. Alright, so this is the 1 GB or 0.0002, 0.00011. These are the GBs that the data of these are transferred here, alright, in bytes. So after that, what you need to do is to click on, go to this description, and it will lead you to the billing dashboard in which you can check your balance and other options. So let's click on other options also. So let's go to the payments, alright. So basically here you can give the payments if you want to. If the payments are you have transferred the payments, it will be shown to you here. Unapplied funds, transactions, advanced pay, alright. And let's click on this credits. So currently there is 0 amount remaining, 0 amount used, etc. Alright. So after that, purchase orders. So currently there is no purchase orders. Free tier. Alright. So these are the free tier version that I am using. Alright. Elastic Compute Cloud for Tokyo and for the Mumbai region. Alright. So currently there are 2 Elastic Compute Cloud and 2 data transfer of AWS that I have used. One for the Tokyo and another for the Mumbai. Alright. So these are some of the statuses that it is showing me: current usage, forecast usage, MTD usage, etc. Alright. After that, what you need to do is to click on this billing conductor. It will show you this option of the billing conductor. So let's wait for it. Alright. So it will show you the billing conductor option here that you can read it from here. And after that, what you need to do is to go to this billing preferences. Alright, so it will show you the billing bar through your mail. It will transfer you to through your mail if you want to, and after that you can give it an email address if you want to take the data from to the email address, receive the data through email address. This is the billing reports, etc. Payment details, payment methods. All right. So this is the card that I have entered here previously. All right. So you need to enter the card. All right. It will not charge you, but you need to enter the card number so that you can be verified there. All right. So these are the options that are related to billing. All right. So after that, what you need to do, it will lead you to the billing dashboard in which you can check your balance and other options. All right. If there is some bill then that you don't want to pay as a beginner, then you can message AWS to cancel your bill. All right. So let's say if the 12 months free trial account is now expired, then the bills will be generated for you. So if you don't want to pay those bills, then what you can do that you can cancel those bills also, and you need to contact the AWS. All right. So to do this, click on the question mark on the upper right corner and click on the support center. So as you can see, that one thing that I need to show you before going to the billing option is here you can see the global. But previously I was present in the Mumbai region, but now it is showing me the global option here. Why? Because the global will combine all those billings into in this page. All right. So basically, all the regions billing will be present in this global option or in this global page. That will be calculated all together. So that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. And now let's take a look at the here in the support center. So let's click on this question mark and click on the support center. All right. So after that, what you need to do is to click on question mark upper and click on the support center. All right. So it will lead you to another page. Click on the create case option. So as you can see that this is the create case option. It will lead me to another page. So let's click on this. And after that, what you need to do is let's go to the description. It will lead you to another page, create case option, check the account and billing option. All right. So these are two options that you can click. So I will click on this account and billing. All right. So it will open a new form for me. So what I need to do is it will open a form for you. Select the billing service from the options. All right. So I have clicked it, and after that category should be a dispute charge. So basically select the billing service. basically I need to first of all click on this one and click on this service billing, and category should be a dispute charge. So dispute a charge. Alright. As you can see that it will open a form for you. Select the billing service from the options. So the billing service is this one. Category should be a dispute charge. Sorry. And after that, click on the additional information button and it will lead you to another page. Alright. So leave this severity as it is, general question. And now let's click on the next step, that is additional information. Alright. So now as you can see that this is giving me the subject and the message description here. Alright. So what you need to do is to write that, let's say, a request for the waive of the bill. Alright. And now in the description you can write that hey there, I am a student and I cannot afford this and I'm using it for my own purpose, for my learning purpose. So that's why. So you need to write all the reasons that you want to mention here, that I am a student and I cannot afford this billing, and I want to waive this waive off this billing. So kindly remove this and cancel this billing for me. So they will help you. And after that, write the subject and the message to clean and remove the bill by giving them a reason. Alright, so you have given them a reason. And after that, once you have written the reason, click on the next button to give the contact information, and they will contact you and you will tell the same reason again. Alright, so basically you will write the reason in the subject and in the description like this one. Let's write test just for the testing purpose. And after that, what you need to do is to click on this next step. But you can attach the files here if you want to. And after that, let's click on this next step. And here you will be asked for the contact information. Alright. So it is asking you to terminate AWS account resources that you no longer need. Alright. So I have already terminated. I have no one. So you will contact them. You will give the contact information. So they can either contact you through chat, or they can contact you through the phone number if you want to. So you can give the phone number if you want to. Let's write Pakistan. So, alright. So after that, give them the number and the extension if it is optional. And after that, you can also contact them via the web or the email. So they will contact you in 24 hours. So after that, let's click on the submit, and then you will be contacted back, and they will take the information, and you should tell them the reason that why you cannot afford this and why you are not able to pay them. So they will make the billing equal to 0. All right. So let's click on this cancel and clear it, because I don't want to submit it, because currently I'm using the free trial. So I will leave as it is. And after that, what you need to do is to, once you have written the reason, click on the next button to give the information, and they will contact you and you will tell the same reason again. Alright. After that, click on the submit button. Alright. So I have clicked on the submit. I have not clicked on the submit button, but I have cancelled it. And after that, the next step is to create an instance, EC2 instance. So I have briefly explained it in my Ansible video and in the Nagios video. So if you want to check them out, you can visit my previous videos also. And I will give the link of these videos here also. Let's take a look at the Nagios or Ansible videos. So to do this, let's go to this lecture. 43 is the Nagios video. Alright. This is lecture number 43. This is related to the Nagios. So let's open this preview of this 53. And now you can see that if I scroll up, you will see that this is the installation and this is the starting process of the EC2 instance, through which you can create it and start it. Alright. So what you need to do is to start the Nagios installation. You must have EC2 instance up running. That I have discussed in my previous video also. So what I need to do is to show you here. First of all, let's click on this AWS, and now it will lead to the AWS Management Console. And from start, I will just show you that how you can create it. So let's click on the service. And these are the recently visited items that I have visited them. But if this is your first time, then you can click on this compute. And after that, it will lead you to the EC2. So let's click on this. And now let's click on this instances running. Alright, so let's click on this, and as you can see that there are no instances that are currently running. If I cancel this, you will see that these are some of the instances that I have terminated in my that I have created in my previous videos. So I have terminated them. So it will take me some time to remove all from the this dashboard. Alright, so don't terminate them many times. Instead, it will show you the message that it is now terminated, but it will take some time. So what you need to do is to click on this launch instances, and after that, as you can see that here you can give the tag name of the instance that you want to create, and these are the number of instances that you can create, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just need to give the instances number and it will create them for you. Alright, and after that, these are the images through which you can select, like Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, Amazon Linux, that is present by default, that is checked by default. And you can select any one of the Amazon Linux. These are available for free trial, and some of them are not available for free trial eligibility. Alright, and after that, these are the architecture that you can select, like bit8, x86, and ARM. So these are the architecture that you can select. And after that, this is the instance type. So if I click on this, you will see that these are some of the instances that are not available for free, except this one, T2 Micro, that is available for free trial. So you can select any one of them, but you will be charged from these for these instances. All right. So I don't want to be charged, so I will simply leave the free trial as it is. But you can select any one of them if you want to. All right. And these instances I have shown you in my previous video in the theoretical part, that what are the functionality of each of the instances that you want to create them. All right, and how much the CPU and the RAM they will provide for you, and they have written all the data, all the things here also. So if you want to take a look at them, you will see that this is the family T3, 2 virtual CPUs, 2 GB RAM, 2 GB memory. All right, and the pricing of this per hour, on the demand Windows pricing, etc. per hour, they will charge you. All right. After that, here you can generate the key pair. All right. So I have generated many key pair, as you can see. But if you want to create them, you can click on this one, and it will you just give a key pair name and click on this create key pair. It will create it for you. All right. And here you can see the key pair type and the private key file format, etc. that you can select them. And after that, this is the network settings. So what you need to do, so I have already shown you that how you can allow all the traffic by clicking on this HTTPS also, and create security group. And after that, auto assign public IP, that will be enabled. And after that, if you don't want to, if you allow all the traffic, if you want to allow all the traffic, then you can simply click on this edit button. And what you need to do is to, instead of leaving the HTTPS, you just need to simply click on this all the traffic. So let's scroll up. Where can I find? So let's go scroll down. All right. All the traffic. All right. As you can see that this is all the traffic that I can allow, and it will show me the rules with 4000 allow all the IP addresses to access your instance. We recommend setting the security groups to allow access from the known IP address. So basically, I will allow this to just for the testing purpose, but you can allow it from the known IP address. So it is why that's why it is showing me this option. And after that, what you need to do is to click on this advanced details, and it will show you all the details that you can read them, and it will show you the info of these details if you want to click on any one of them. All right. So let's click on this info. As you can see that this is the info. This is the info of the termination protection. So you can select any one of them. All right. And this is the summary of this instance then that will be shown to you, and then you can launch an instance or either cancel it. All right. And I have mentioned all these steps here. If you want to check them out, you can also check my previous videos. And after that, what I need to do is to click on cancel these instance, because I don't want to launch it. All right. And once the instance, let's say the instance is created, so it will show you the message like this, that the instance is running. Alright, here instead of writing the terminal, it will be shown to you that the instance is running here. Alright, and after that, and if you click on any one of the instance, it will show you the public IP address, the private IP address, and the instance ID, etc. Or these are all the information that will be shown to you, like the security, networking, storage, monitoring tags, etc. Alright, but as you can see that it is giving me the error message because I have terminated these instances. And after that, this will be the instance type that is that I have shown you, that the default one and the free one will be the T2 micro. And the instance check will be status check will be 2 by 2. All right, and the alarm status, no alarms will be shown to you. Availability zones will be shown to you, and if you scroll from the right, you will show the availability zone, public IP, private IP, elastic IP. So these are all the information that will be shown to you. Ansible key, disabled, currently launch time will be shown to you. All right. So this is the information that will be shown to you according to each of the instances, and you can then work on them. So please check out these previous videos like 53 or 43. Alright, so in the 53 I have discussed about the Nagios, and in the 43 I have discussed about the Ansible and how you can install Ansible, and all the steps are the same. And when you create those instances, then what you need to do is to, let's go to this 53 again, and what you need to do is to connect those instances with the terminal. So here you can see that I have mentioned the steps. Alright, so click on the server option, click on the launch install button, and then click on the view instances. Oh, these are related to the dashboard. And once these instances are running, click on the server option in the AWS and copy the public IP address. Alright, so if you want to get the public IP address, you will click on this and it will show you the public IP address. You need to simply copy this, and once the IP address is copied, open the terminal and write this command. It will give the option yes or no. It will give you the permission denied message. After that, to remove this permission denied and to access this, you need to write this command with the Ansible key file that I have, the key peer file that I have created, and you need to mention them. And after that, write this command, and it will give you another error that the permission is also denied, and this permission is required, and this permission needs to be changed. So after that, I have given the permission to the file. All right, and then again wrote this command. And now what you need to do that after writing this command, you will be given access to the instances in the terminal. So these are all the steps that I have covered in my previous video. So I hope you will understand this, and please check my previous video also to understand it properly. And I will give the link of these videos here. As you can see that I have not given the link of these videos. So once these videos are uploaded, I will give the link of these videos also. Alright. So that's it for now. I hope you liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.